everyone, I'm going to show you how to sew a really easy and stylish pleather clutch. Now I'm going to use this Brother NQ900 stylus sewing machine, which has a feature called My Custom Stitch. It allows me to create my own custom stitch. So I'm also going to show you how to use that stitch feature while I'm showing you the step-by-step clutch tutorial. You'll need a 10 by 13 inch piece of pleather, a 9-inch zipper, a zipper foot, and a spool of thread. To create a My Custom Stitch on your Brother sewing machine, start with a grid sheet and sketch your unique pattern. I'm going to do a little baby heart and then a bigger heart. Because your pattern repeats, make sure you draw it across the same horizontal plane, since you want the start point and end point to be at the same height. Also, since your pattern is repeating, you have to determine the space between the repeating patterns. So I mark it up here, so look over here, and transfer that distance over here to my end point. And then I know this is where I want it to end. Now go back to the start of your design and mark the points in the pattern that are at intersections of the grid. Wherever your diagram hits an intersection, mark that off as a point. And then do that for the whole pattern. Next, write in your sewing order. So number all of those points from 1 on. Create a quick reference chart for yourself listing all of the points plus their corresponding horizontal and vertical position. This will make it so much easier when you're entering all the values. On your sewing machine, click the pattern selector and then the number 97. This takes you to the My Custom Stitch screen. You'll see the vertical and horizontal measurements that correspond back to your grid sheet or that cheat sheet that you made. And then you'll start entering the values that correspond to your custom design. Once I have that, press OK. Then you enter your second set of digits, 13 horizontal and 2 vertical, OK. Now, do you want single stitching or triple stitching between your 2 points? Use the selector to choose, then press OK. And then do you want to continue editing or finish editing? I want to continue, I'll leave it there. Press OK. And then carry on with the rest of all your points, entering in each corresponding digit to create your custom stitch. There's my big heart and my baby heart. Once you get to your final point of your pattern, again, go through all of the steps. Choose single stitching or triple stitching, and then select Finish Editing. And click OK. And there's your stitch. If you want to save your stitch, click the little pocket next to the OK, and then you'll see all of your available pockets. I don't have any stitches saved, so I'm going to go back up to number 1, press OK, and this saves your stitch. Now leave your machine, don't touch anything, it just takes a second. Now your stitch is saved. So back on your home screen, click the pocket that brings you to your saved designs. And there you go, there's my number 1, my baby heart, and my bigger heart. Press OK when you're ready to sew it. When you're sewing My Custom Stitch, make sure you attach your monogramming foot, which is the N foot, and you're good to go. There it is, my little baby heart and my bigger heart. To sew the zippered pouch, attach the zipper foot to your sewing machine. Make sure it's on the right side. Now line up the cut edge of your pleather with your zipper. I want this zipper to be exposed, so I'm going to leave a little bit across the top. And stitch that in place with an edge stitch. switch your zipper foot over to the other side. Then open up your zipper. You're going to do this exact same thing to the other side. Bring that cut edge of the pleather to your zipper and leave a little bit of space in between so the cut edge isn't exactly along the teeth. And then sew that side. Once you've sewn the zipper in, flip your pouch inside out and you're going to sew down both sides. You might need to adjust your zipper foot to put it on the other side depending on where the bulk of your zipper is. Then flip your pouch right side out, poke out the corners, crease down the sides, and there you have it, a beautiful pleather clutch with an exposed zipper detail and a peekaboo My Custom Stitch that you designed. And there you have it, an easy, stylish clutch personalized with My Custom Stitch, available on Brother Q Series sewing machines. The one I used was the NQ900 Stylist.